In today's video, I'll show you how to upload files to your Miro board. A simple skill that can make your projects more organized and your teamwork smoother. Let's start with the easiest way. Drag and drop. Open your Miro board and make sure your files are accessible, maybe on your desktop or in a folder. Now just select the files you want, hold your mouse and drag them directly onto your Miro board. When you see the board highlight, release the mouse and your files instantly appear right on the canvas. It's quick, effortless and perfect for uploading multiple files at once. Now for the second method. Using the upload button. On the left side of your screen, find the toolbar and click the upload icon. A small menu will appear. Select My Device to browse your computer. Choose one or more files you want to add, then click Open. Miro will instantly upload them to your board, ready to move or resize however you like. Both methods are equally effective. Use drag and drop when you want speed and the upload button when you need precision in selecting specific files. And that's it. 2 easy ways to upload files to your Miro board. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like, subscribe and check out my other Miro guides to keep improving your workflow. Thanks for watching and happy creating in Miro.